CoasterDad, it is windy here in Yarmouth. Sorry if you're getting a load of wind noise. We are in Great Yarmouth, and where are we going, Baz? It's behind us.
Joyland.
Yeah, Joyland. This is a really important little park for me. It's a funny little place. It's just for kids. It's been here for 50, 60, 70 years, something like that. Since the 1950s, I think.
Let's go around that way.
Are you looking forward to it, Baz?
Doggy.
Little dog.
Yeah, I am looking forward to it. That is the Spook Express.
Yeah, Spook Express. We've got 3 coaster creds here, which we've actually all got already when Baz was really little, and I've had them for years because I've been coming back here since I was a little kid. But the 2 important ones here are the Snails and the Tiraleon Tub Twist, because those are really rare classic coaster types that you don't get anywhere else. Oh, Spook Express is off and running. We're going to grab some tokens. Shall I do the boring token chat myself while you're looking at stuff? Okay.
See
you. So yeah, it's pay by token here. They've got £1.50 a token, and it's 1 token per ride. Or you can do 12 tokens for just £15. That's a couple of tokens free. Or as you can see over my shoulder, they do have another deal. £30 bag, 25 tokens, 25 rides for £30. Lots of little stuff here to get on, lots of fun to have. Let's get in there. And here's the entrance to Spook Express. All the rides are just the 1 token. 1 token per ride, so it's a good deal. Good deal for a fun little park. We are heading up the spooky steps to Spook Express. This ride is actually made by the same little company that made the Dragon ride at Chessington. No, I'm going to say that again. At Legoland. I've gone mad. Climbing stairs. Can't think and climb stairs, obviously. So it goes in and out of this mountain all the way round. You have to be accompanied by an adult, which is fine for you, Baz, but who's going to look after me?
Can we go front row?
Oh, we could try and get front row, yeah. So we've had a little run around on Spook Express, haven't we, Baz?
Yeah, it was quite good.
It's quite good for a little kid's coaster. It's got like a kind of helix that goes down inside the big theming structure of the Spooky Mountain. There's a dark section. It's got a lot going on. Are you busy looking at this pirate ship down here?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to give the viewers a bit of attention? Oh no, there's Coaster Mum. We're being papped by Coaster Mum. So yeah, good little ride. Really fun. A really good training coaster for a lot of kids. So smooth. Like, better than some of the rides in some of the bigger parks for kids. I've got to say, what do you think?
That's great for a little kiddie coaster.
It's quality. I love Joyland. It's one of my favourite parks in the country. Let's get going. Well, here they are, the best snails in Yarmouth. There are snails at the Pleasure Beach as well, and Coaster Mum will tell you that those are the best ones. But these, Baz, these are the best snails in Yarmouth. There's no messing. Enjoy your ride. This counts as a coaster. Oh, okay, I'll take that. You got a dispatch, off you go. Right then, I am off for my ride on the snails. We're having an on-ride POV here. I have been riding this ride since I was about 5 years old, and I love it. There's the big mountain that Spook Express goes through, big theming structure, and we'll cross over with Baz in a second. Yeah, it's a really beautiful old ride, and it's got a real whip to it when you go down these drops. Hi, Baz! I wish I'd brought that GoPro camera. As I said in the last episode, I stupidly left it behind by accident on this trip. But we are going to get some rides in here. Here we go. Whoop. Oh, that's a good one. It is a beautiful little ride, and it's struggling to carry me up the hill as it always does these days. And up and down. Give us a wave, Baz. There he goes into the station. There is a concept now of a zero coaster. A coaster that comes above your top 10, but you can't really justify being there. And the snails are my coaster. You can get a photo here at Joyland, you get a sticker. There it is. And we are done. It's another one of the classic rides here at Yarmouth. Just goes back and forth, but it's been here for years and years at Joyland. It's a lot of fun. Baz, how was your ride on the best snails in Yarmouth?
That was amazing. It had a little jump to it, but it was amazing.
Really, really good, wasn't it? There's another cool ride here, the kids' Ferris wheel. And this classic kind of spinning caterpillar job. Tons of amusement arcades and amusement rides as well. This is a brilliant dark ride, Neptune's Kingdom, well worth a trip. There's tons of rides here for kids, all ages, right down to littlies. And it's all just so beautifully presented. It's just like Blackpool, and everything is right on top of everything else. And here's the Tiraleon Tub Twist. This is a ride that is very rare now. You can't find many of these in the world. In fact, as you can see, it spins all the way down the track. It's kind of the original Dragon's Fury, really. And we'll get on it in just a minute. But here we are. Here is the Tiraleon Tub Twist, Baz. Have a look at it. You go up this hill, you come spinning all the way down. It is a quality ride.
Dude, this looks amazing.
This is a real classic. Favourite from my childhood, favourite from lots of people's childhoods. Even the turnstiles are classic. Right then, we are off.
Whoa.
Coaster Mum's going to take her own tub because it's a bit of a snug fit in here.
Yeah.
And around we go. You spin up the lift hill because why not?
Why would you spin up a lift hill? Why not? Whoa.
Oh, reverse spin.
Is this an on-ride POV?
This is an on-ride POV we're doing here, yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh, get ready for a twist in the tub.
Whoa, it's a jolter.
Brace yourself.
Oh.
I mean, like, brace.
Oh, you get a good spin.
Whoa.
I'm getting a better spin on this than I get on Spinball Whizzer. Oh, but hard stop.
Whoa.
You really do get a serious spin on this ride. And it's just so classic. The padding is really comfy.
Yeah, but
the jolting is quite 1950s. There goes Coaster Mum on her own. Oh, it is an absolutely brilliant ride. I loved every minute of that. The ride has finished. Get out the tub. Here goes Coaster Mum. She's coming through the final turns.
Hi, Mum. We're off the ride.
You do seriously get dizzier than you do on Dragon's Fury.
You get out that way, Mum. Mum,
How was that?
Bit up. It's a bit spinny, isn't it?
It is an amazing, amazing ride, isn't it?
It's also a jump one.
Ooh, catch you in a second, guys. Right, Baz, we're gonna visit Neptune's Kingdom, just like it says to do on the sign. It's classic old dark ride. You get to ride on a seahorse.
Seahorse?
It's a seahorse, yeah. It's gonna take you under the sea. Under the sea. Don't sing the copyright music. I've got a lovely seahorse here.
Paddle one.
A paddle one?
Yes.
Or a paddle one? There's a paddling.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Someone's wishing us a lovely goodbye as we get dispatched there on the Neptune's Kingdom Dark Ride. And as you can see, they take care of this ride.
Wow. They take such good care of this.
It's a lovely ride. There's some lovely creatures.
Look at that flying fish.
Got to watch out for the teacher fish and the octopus.
Oh, what's in here?
Really beautifully done, isn't it? Joyland is a place that everyone who likes theme parks and amusement parks has got to visit. I think it's just stunning. It's such a little place, but everything is so beautifully looked after. Well done. Good value for money. Hi, that's me. A pipefish.
Hi.
What do you think, Baz?
Neptune. Is that Neptune?
That was Neptune. He was waving us goodbye as we exit his kingdom. Baz, you've been on Neptune's Kingdom. Give it a thumbs review. It's thumbs up, and all the fingers. Do you love this park?
Yeah.
Good. Shall we have one last ride on the snails?
Yeah.
Grand, let's go. Right, I've got two hats on because Baz is having an extra go on the snails with his mum. His mum has always been a person who goes to the pleasure beach in Yarmouth rather than coming here to Joyland, which is what I always did as a kid. His mum thinks the other snails are better, and she's going on today to remind her that these are the best snails in Yarmouth. We'll see what she says when she comes off. There they go, heading along the back run. Everyone who goes on this ride, you just see them smiling and smiling. Here comes some punters over the jump arms in the air. And Baz and Claire should be along in a second. Here they come. Have a good ride. And into the station for their photograph for the photo booth. Smile on the snails. Two questions. We're here with Coaster Nanny. You wanted to take her on those snails. Was that a good idea?
The long straight is fine, and then it kind of dips a bit. And that,
That's the reason it's a roller coaster cred. And last, what's the best snails in Yarmouth?
Yeah, alright, these ones.
It's the Joyland ones, yes! Right, Baz is going to have a last go on the jet car ride just for some fun before we go. Baz, our Norfolk luck has struck again. The jet cars have broken temporarily. Well, what are you going to go on instead? You're going to have one last go on Spook Express?
Yeah.
Have fun on Spook Express, Baz. We'll say goodbye from
Roller Baz and
CoasterDad. Next week we'll see you because we're heading up to the Yarmouth Pleasure Beach now.